Switching gears just a bit and bringing it home here, even with Lake Okeechobee at an alarming level, more than 16.5 feet at the moment. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers has stopped all discharges because of flooding concerns downstream, specifically along the Treasure Coast. This afternoon, we started to see that flooding in Stuart and in Palm City as well. News Channel 5's Alex Hagan live for us with the fears going forward. Alex.
Well, Shannon, we are in Old Palm City. You can see the South Fork of the St. Lucie River here behind me, and this is an area, one of several areas that experienced some major flooding earlier today. Now, as we all know, the Corps releasing billions of gallons of fresh water into the St. Lucie estuary following Hurricane Irma. That mixed with king tides, and it's really created a huge problem here. On the South Fork of the St. Lucie River,
called Round Bay,
Jim Harder sees a difference in the water.
Water's coming up on them now.
And it's not good.
Cloudy, it's nasty, it's got all kinds of stuff in it.
We're not just talking water quality.
We get across here any other time.
Water levels are high. When we arrived at his dock, just outside his home,
twice as high as it would normally be.
Water coming up onto the street. And that's not even the worst of it in Old Palm City.
Absolutely. I have friends over there that they've had to repair the houses because of flooding.
There was more flooding throughout the Treasure Coast. Water coming up over the seawalls at Shepherd Park in Stuart. Flooding happening because of several reasons. Hurricane Irma dumped so much rain, creating large amounts of runoff, so the Corps discharged billions of gallons of fresh water so the lake would not rise to dangerous levels. But now all that water coupled with king tides, and you have a big problem.
Pulling all these things together all at one time.
The Corps has now stopped Lake Okeechobee discharges because of this flooding, but is still releasing canal runoff. This dilemma, though, reigniting old questions.
That's where we get in trouble, is when we have to artificially get the water away from the lake and not let it go south to where it normally would go.
Back in Old Palm City,
a high tide,
Jim
discharges.
is tired of it.
I'm getting too old to just get up and move somewhere else.
Now, we talk about Lake Okeechobee and those discharges. The Corps said they will refrain from doing any more discharges, at least for another week, when those tides go down. But that's also sparking another issue. We're talking about Lake Okeechobee. You mentioned those water levels at more than 16.5 feet. That's a huge issue as well, all new at 6. We're going to talk about how the Corps is responding to that and what they're doing to fix that issue. Reporting live in Palm City, I'm Alex Hagan for the Now South Florida.